So hi guys, welcome to Yourpedia Education. So there is one very important update from KVS Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. You can see here, way back they have advertisement, one recruitment for officers, teaching and non-teaching staff in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. And the recruitment was advertisement for the different position, be it assistant commissioner, principal, vice principal, PGT, and there were 12 categories for PGT, in which physics was there, maths was there, computer science was there, biotech was there. And for TGT again there are category like WE. Okay, under this category the student with engineering background, BTech or BE in electrical and electronics, they were also eligible. And apart from this there were many technical position like assistant engineer and assistant section officer. So the result is out, the shortlisting is out, and they have decided for the final stage, and they already have done that these are the dates when your interview will be held. So especially for the student who are getting interview call for PGT position under physics, mathematics, under computer science, under biotech. So if you are applying after engineering for these positions, especially for computer science PGT, then you need to prepare interview really well. You need to cover all the aspect, be it technical, be it non-technical. I believe if you have done BTech or MTech in computer science, then you might be having a great knowledge and you can showcase that knowledge in the interview. And you have also qualified the written, it also reflects you have technical knowledge. But when you're going for the technical interviews like academic interview of these teachers, lecturers, assistant professor, so apart from technical knowledge there are many things which matter, like your social awareness, like your state knowledge, like your country knowledge, and other non-technical stuff. So while preparing for the interview you need to take all the factor into consideration, and especially for those students who have applied for WE category for TGT from electronics and electrical background, they also need to justify why doing engineering in electrical and electronics. Now they are following the journey with teachers in KVS, right? So this is one of the very important question. So this is one opportunity. There are very large number of vacancy, multiple vacancies are there, especially for those students whose ultimate goal is to get some good reputed government job. This is one of the great opportunities, so don't miss it. You can start your interview preparation with Yourpedia Education, where snap mock will be provided, full mock will be provided, and relevant resources will be assisted to you people, from where you can prepare the non-technical stuff also. So Yourpedia Education wish you all the best for your interview stage. Thank you.